needed some pita, so naturally I decided to make it. And the reason I needed pita was because I found these falafels at Trader Joe's. So I also made some pickled red onions with zaatar and, of course, tzatziki. I regret ever making that banana cream matcha because ever since I made it, I've been craving actual banana pudding. And it doesn't help that I found banana pudding ice cream at Trader Joe's the other day, which I also can't have. So I figured I'd make the next best thing, banana chia pudding, which I think is a good compromise if you want a sweet treat, but also want some nutritional value. Because as we know, chia seeds are a great source of fiber, omega-3s, antioxidants, and protein. But instead of using my usual base of a cashew cream, I used oat milk with a touch of the vegan whipping cream to thicken it up a little bit because it's in my fridge, so why not? And I just threw the banana slices in because I couldn't stand up any longer. But if you want to layer it, you can. You just want to mix the chia seeds separately and then set that aside to thicken for a few minutes first. In fact, I actually have remade this already, so if you want to see that step by step, it'll be in the next video. I'm making a pasta bolognese, so for the meat sauce, I'm using a combination of pecans and black lentils, just like I did for the taco meat. I think that was in the last week's video. I'm just substituting the walnuts for pecans because I don't have any, but I do prefer walnuts because overall they do have a bit more protein. While it's cooking, I'm also making a strawberry simple syrup. Because I had a little leftover strawberries that wouldn't fit in the jar for the syrup, I added them to the gravy. So if you're someone who likes to add sugar to your tomato sauce to help balance out the acidity, there you go. You have another option. And if you're like, I don't know, that's weird. Just remember that tomatoes are a fruit. You've literally been eating your noodles coated in jam this entire time and not realized it. So it makes perfect sense. I guess blue is the color of the week because first my bagels is blue and now so is my lemonade. Since I ended up zesting an entire bag of lemons for the several blueberry lemon loaves that I've made, I have a ton of lemons with no skin that I needed to use up, so this is my solution. Except butterfly pea tea, like purple cabbage, is a pH indicator, so when you add acid to it, it changes from its original color to more of like a pinky purple. But either way, still really pretty, and especially prepared this way, is delicious. I've tried meal prepping quinoa several times, but just end up eating the entire batch fresh out of the pot while it still has a little bit of broth at the bottom. In fact, I've done this so much that I've now made a meal out of it, purposefully adding a little bit of no chicken stock at the end of plating it so that I can eat it like soup. And I have no problem eating just that because it is a complete protein, but it doesn't have a ton of it unless you eat a large amount. So I have been pairing it with balsamic tofu. It's because this is my go-to mock chicken recipe. And this is 11 out of 10 my hyperfixation meal of the moment. Yes, even in summer because the AC stays on in this house. After just a couple of hours, you'll start to notice that these sugar crystals are dissolving as they draw moisture out of the strawberries or whatever fruit that you decide to use this with, until eventually it looks like this, which is the following day. And this syrup I'll use primarily for matcha, but is also really good in other drinks as well.